Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I transform these bundles of hair into this DIY headband wig. So here are the products you're going to be needing to achieve this headband wig. I had hair Spritz spray, bonding glue, and this dome cap and the regular headband. So let's get started. And my 3 bundles of hair. I've used this hair in a previous tutorial where I styled a ponytail on my friend, so I'll leave a link above for you to go check it out. So yeah, so here I just went ahead to measure the part where I wanted to start placing the wefts of the hair. Then I went ahead and I sprayed some of the spray on the dome cap, and I went ahead to apply the bonding glue on the wefts, and I started placing it on the dome cap. So you guys, this tutorial is pretty explanatory, so just watch and I'm very sure you'll be able to recreate this. Hey guys, so I'm going to be using the flip over method in this tutorial. I wouldn't be cutting the weave at all. I'm just going to keep flipping over. So you guys, here I had gotten to the last part of the first bundle and I was done attaching it on the recap. And you guys, when I say my hand got so sticky and messy as I was applying the bonding glue, I really don't know why, but it just made me super uncomfortable, and I'm like, nah, I think I need to sew the remaining bundles on this recap. So please do whatsoever, you know, float your boat. Like if you think you might prefer, you know, just bonding glue straight to the point, please go ahead. But for me I just felt like I should sew the remaining part of the hair because I just didn't like how messy it was getting. Like my hand was just getting so sticky, so much bonding glue on my hand, and I didn't want any of that. So I just went ahead, same process, flip over, sew, flip over, sew. And if you notice here, I'm leaving a part of the front part of the wig cap. You're going to see towards the end where I don't sew. I don't necessarily have to sew to the band of the dome cap rather, because I'm still going to be attaching the headband to it. So yeah, so here is a clearer view. You can see that I'm not sewing any weft on the front band of this dome cap. Okay, so here I was already on the 3rd bundle and I just kept, you know, sewing it closely to the front part of the dome cap. You know, I was just taking it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I slowed down this area of the video so that you can see what I was doing properly. so here's the part we've been waiting for, which is attaching the headband onto the wig cap. So here I just went around and I placed the headband, you know, on the wig cap as though I was putting it on my normal head, you know. So I placed it on it. Yeah, so please just look very closely at what I'm going to be doing because it's very important. So here I just zoomed in for you guys to get a close-up view. So you see this last part where I sewed on the dome cap, the last part where I sewed the weft. I'm going to be attaching this sewn part on the headband to that last part where I sewed on the wig cap. I hope that makes sense, you guys, but please just look at my hands. I promise you, if you pay attention, you will definitely be able to do the same thing because it's not that difficult. So here I'm just sewing closely to the weft, just like that. Just sew it closely so that when you flip over your headband, it's going to look very seamless. Yeah, so here I was done sewing the headband. I just sewed to the ear part. I didn't sew it all the way back, so you don't have to do that. It's not going to show anyways. So here I just went ahead and I brushed the hair. I really like this hair. You guys, ta-da, see what it looks like. It's so beautiful and very convenient. Please, if you found this video helpful, like, share, comment and subscribe. It really helps my channel when you like this video so that other people can see this video as well. Thank you so much. Until when next I see you guys, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye guys.